Hello student, today we are going to start a new chapter and this will be a revision video for you all. The topic is phonics sounds. You must be wondering why mom is teaching us phonics. Phonics are the base on which your English grammar as well as your English pronunciation is based. So before starting noun pronoun, we must have a look at phonics sound. So in this video we are going to focus on phonics and we are going to revise phonics. Clear? So let's start with the topic. So the topic is phonics sound and it will be a revision video for you all. First of all, there must be a question in your mind. What is the question? What is phonics? So the answer is phonics is a method of teaching people to read. It's a method of teaching people to read by correlating sound. What we do in phonics, we always relate sound with symbols. Okay, we have symbols and we have sound. What we do, we correlate it. We combine both the symbols and sound together in alphabetic writing system. Okay, whenever we write alphabet, when we read it like we start reading alphabet A, B, C, D. First of all we say A. So the A in alphabet A will sound Hindi A. Okay, so what we are doing? We are correlating sounds with the symbols. We are correlating sound with the symbols. Now, phonics help children to read and write. Okay, why it is important for you? Why you are reading phonics? Because it helps you to read and write. It always helps children to hear, identify and use different sound. Okay, it also help you to hear, identify. आप सुन सकते हैं, आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं अलग अलग साउंड को और जो कि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में यूज होते हैं. सो फोनिक इज वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक विच हैज टू बी रिवाइज्ड अगेन. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव इंक्लूडेड फोनिक्स इन दिस रिविजन वीडियो. नाउ सी, देयर इज one picture in front of you. Now ma'am, you are again making us read ABCD. Yes, this is ABCD, but I know you would have forgotten the sound of all these alphabets. So let us have a quick revision of it. Okay, so first one is A. A, say I. Okay, A. B, B. C, C. D, D. E, A. F, F. G, G. H, H. I, E. J, J. K, K. L, L. M, M. N, N. O, O. P, P. Q, Q. R, R. S, S. T, T. U, A. U, A. A, I. And A is used for E. Okay. V, W. W, W. X, 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 X. Y, Y. Z, Z. It's not it's not zebra, it's zebra, zebra, Z, Z. Okay, so lot of words which we keep on pronouncing incorrectly. So you have to remember all these phonic sound so that at least you may avoid the basic pronunciation mistake which we keep on recreating. Okay, now next topic is phonic sounds. These phonic sounds are given in your spiral. We will read it out. I'll read it out for you loudly so that you can understand it, because there are some sounds, some vowels which are long sounds and some vowels which have a silent sound, and some sounds are there which are short. Okay, see, in the first one we have vowels which have a long sound. So vowel with the long sound are, see, B. What is it? B. Free. Next is tree. Next is beep. Greed. Deep. Deed. Jeep. Keep. Weep. Feed. Feel. Peel. Sleep. We. See, in all these sound, E sound is longer one. The sound of E is very long. E. Okay. See, this you will read by yourself. The words are very easy. You can easily read it. See this one, broom. O. Broom. Groom. Okay, the next words are very easy, so you can keep on practicing this. Now see, sound of A, silent E. E. Okay, sound of A, silent E. When you sound of A means A. E, A. See, M-A-L-E. We can't say it male, we can say male. La. On la it is stopped. La के आगे ई का ए साउंड नहीं आ रहा है. ई का ए साउंड नहीं आ रहा है. जिसमें ई का साउंड ए आता है ना, ए नहीं आ रहा है. ए का तो ए आएगा. तो मेल, मेल, पेल, टेल, फेस, lace, pace. So what we can say, by reading all these sounds, we can say A is silent, okay, or hidden sound. Okay, A sound is, A का जो sound है वो क्या है, या फिर साइलेंट है या फिर हिडन है. इसीलिए हम ए को क्या कर रहे हैं, ए यहाँ पे एज अ मैजिक वर्ड यूज हो रहा है, बट वी आर नॉट यूजिंग दैट साउंड. ओके स्टूडेंट, सी नाउ नेक्स्ट साउंड इज साउंड ऑफ आई. ओके, विथ इसमें साइलेंट, जो ई का जो साउंड है वो साइलेंट है. आई, साउंड ऑफ आई का जो है, इसमें ई का जो साउंड है यहाँ पे क्या है, साइलेंट. जैसे वाइन, वाइन, टाई, पाई, लाइन, नाइन, डाइस. ओके, sometime few vowel sounds are either hidden or silent, or they are used as a magic word which are used in the sentence, but the sound is not used, or sound is not sound cannot be used in that, although the word is existing but the sound is not used. ठीक है, वर्ड में वर्ड तो है बट उसका साउंड हम जो है वो यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, सी there are more words. You can keep on practicing all these words so that you can have a good command on all these words. Now next to this word we have a self introduction. See over here we have self introduction. In self introduction there is a short paragraph given to you. What you have to do, you have to first of all read it out by yourself, read it out, and after that, according to your personality, according to you, what all things will fit in this, you have to fill it, because it's the self introduction. So self introduction you have to give by yourself. I can just assist you and you have to do it yourself. See, I'm assisting you, you will do it yourself. Okay student, see that. I am dash, short, tall and dash. Yes. See, आप कैसे हैं? Either you are tall or short, you have to write over here, and thin or fat, you have to write over here in this blank. I have dash. What type of hair you have? You have a straight hair, you have a curly hair, you have to fill it over here. I have dash eyes. What sort of eyes you have? You have what color of eyes you are having? You are having a black eyes, you are having a brown eyes, you are having a grayish eyes, but only two options is given over here. But if you are having blue eyes, you are having grayish eyes, you can write it down over here. Okay, I have dash hands. You people are very small kids, so small kids have a small hands. So you must fill small hands because you all are very small, no? And dash fingers, and when you're having a small hand, definitely your finger will be very short, will not be long one. Okay, so what you will say, I have a small hand and short fingers. Okay students, I have dash bag. What color of bag you have, you need to write it down. What color of bag, school bag you are having, you just need to write it down. I like dash. What you like? You like junk food or healthy food? You need to mention that. I always get up. You always get up early in the morning or you get up late in the morning. You have to mention that also. And next you have to write your favorite game. See, it's not like cricket and football only. Whatever favorite game you are having, you can write it over here, as it's a self introduction. So you can use your own habits, you can use your own favorite games, so that this self introduction could be a fruitful one. Okay student, let's see what next we are having. Next is the topic is complete. So now if you are having any doubt, you can contact to me on my personal number. Thank you student.